This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Kay Alexander. You don't want to miss this beautiful 3-bed/2-bath, all-electric country home, just minutes outside city limits. It has a split floor plan with a large master bedroom, tray ceilings, walk-in closet and large master bathroom with double vanity, jetted tub and separate shower. The main living area has a vaulted ceiling giving it a spacious feel. Laminate and tile floors throughout. A 2-car attached garage leads into the mud/laundry room. The kitchen is so cute with built-in stainless steel microwave and electric range. All this sets on about 0.76 of an acre with landscaping. Make your appointment today before it's gone. For more information, review the details below or contact Kay Alexander at 47